Always use the installation kit when setting up your robotic lawnmower. Pay particular attention to the signal cable. It's one of the most critical components to the mower's proper function. At Grimsholm, we've spent a long time researching and developing the perfect signal cable for robot mowers. And we're very proud of the result. Here's why. Your mower receives its signal through our premium low-resistance tinned copper core cable. The high-quality core gives the robotic mower the optimal conditions to do its job. The core is surrounded by insulation that protects it from wear, tear, moisture, pet waste, and works in various ground materials to make sure it doesn't degrade. Grimsholm Green premium signal cable has sold more than 17 million meters. That's more than the distance from our Swedish development center to our purchasing department in Shanghai and back again. All that in lawns and gardens across Europe. A robotic lawnmower is designed to give you maximum relaxation. Just install it and never worry about maintaining your grass again. And it comes with a 10-year warranty and free support from Grimsholm. It doesn't get better than that. You can find Grimsholm Green's robotic lawnmower premium signal cable and installation kit in lawn and garden centers and wherever robotic mowers are sold.